Sanibonani mphakathi wasePhola Park. Ngibingelela wonke umuntu okhona ngaphakathi kwendawo. Lo obela ngaphambi kwenu uVusi wakwaMadlala. Ngibuya from i-organization abathi iThokoza Progressive Youth based khona la eThokoza Unit F next to EUSAFE. So i-purpose yeThokoza Progressive Youth uku-assista intsha kuma ICT programs. In ICT programs senza ama-programs whereby sine computer programs, and we also have ama programs where ICDL, and we also have EPPD. Okuyukuthi it's a program that assist umuntu mangabe kuyukuthi akakazi ukuthi mhlambe ufuna ukwenza ini empilweni yakhe. Basically iyak-aligna ukuthi ukwazi ukuthi nawe usiqonde ukuthi ubani even before singaqala ngeprogram esisuke siqala nawo. And abantu ukuthi siyabatraina, we train youth from 18 to 35. So if une interest with us, ungasondela kuna igaziko le ebhale Thokoza Progressive Youth, uzokhona ukuthola yonke information oyidingayo. So ngokuthi sitraina youth between 18 and 35, it does not say ukuthi mangabe unomntwana mhlamba ngeke ukwazi ukusondela etafuleni lethu. If umzali above that age, you can also come to itafula lethu mhlambe uze uzozikhulumela usho ukuthi unomntwana odinga ama-programs wethu. So ngiyabonga itafula lethu ile leli lana ngaphambi kwetraga. Thank you.